Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I am with my best friend United Khan, and he is working before with me together in two here and day to day, and he has leave the job here before 1 year, and he going to another place and he joined to another company, and now is coming here with me, and now I will talk to my best friend United Khan. So how is your life here in Dubai and your work and your everything is you can explain me?
Hi everyone, how are you? Everything is good, Alhamdulillah, we are good. I've been with Sabzali before 3 years and we have been worked together for 2 years in day to day. And now I have left the job and I find another international city. And totally I have spent here in Dubai. I spent more than 7.5 or 8 years in Dubai. And everything is good, and if you want to work you can find in Dubai, because Dubai is a hub. You can find any kind of job. And other things, Sabzali is my best friend. I forgot everyone, but I cannot forget my friend, because we have been there for 2 years and we had a tough time together. Tough like not a good salary, but we was together. We helped each other and I cannot forget him. And that's why I used to visit him. When I find my off day, I used to visit him because he's my good friend. And my friends, if you want to go to Dubai and you want to find a job, you can find anywhere, any kind of job. If someone says that there's no job, he's lying to you. Dubai is the land of opportunity. Very nice to meet you, everyone. And remember us in your prayers, because we are crossing the road. That might be
Unlegal system, unlegal.
Illegal, but we are crossing. Sometime we can do this somehow.
Before you was here, so how many night market is here in Dubai? As now you have experienced the 7 years. So now you about your experience. So now is too much, or before is too much night market here in UAE? This is only for 6 months, right?
Yeah, maybe 6 months. There was I have seen here, there was only one night market.
Before, right?
Before,
7 years before.
7 years. And there was also like, you can say there was no night market. But now there's everywhere too many night markets. Very nice to visit there and also enjoy with your friends, and especially at the night when you're free.
Okay, so now I'm going to with you in my room. So what you eat? What you like?
Whatever you eat.
What you like?
Whatever you eat. I will eat whatever
I'm eating sometime chicken and sometime mutton, kadai, and sometime rice. So what you like to eat me?
Well, I would like chicken will be better, but I would suggest whatever is ready. It's for the friends, as the proverb in Pashto says.
So thank you, my dear friends. This is my third vlog in UAE. Inshallah, again I will make another vlog for your people, but you support me and you like and you subscribe me my channel. Thank you all, my dear friends.
Thank you very much. Bye.